Having Pectus sucks. Growing up with Pectus, I hated my body so much and I dreaded taking off my shirt. But when I finally fixed my Pectus, my entire life changed. And because of how much fixing my Pectus transformed my entire life, I dedicated the last decade of my life to helping others do the same thing. And now I've helped thousands of Pectus warriors completely overcome their Pectus condition without surgery, with exercise. And right now, I'm launching the 2026 Pectus Transformation Challenge, which is a once-a-year challenge that I launch at the start of each year. And 95% of my client testimonials have come from people on these challenges committing to a full year of coaching with me. And so that is what this challenge is all about. It's a year's commitment because that's how long it takes for you to make enough of a change to your body, to build enough muscle, improve your posture, to actually make your Pectus less noticeable. You will get everything that you need in this challenge to completely overcome your Pectus. So that's workout programming, tailored specifically and laser focused for Pectus excavatum, meaning I target key areas like the inner chest, like the abs, like the obliques that when developed make your Pectus less noticeable. Stretching regimes specifically focused on opening Pectus posture. So with Pectus, inherently we have tight pecs, we have rolled forward shoulders. This makes the indent appear deeper, so we counter that with my stretching, as well as stretches for anterior tilt, which accentuates the rib flare pot belly. So stretching regimes, workout programming, and nutrition, because to build a lean muscular aesthetic physique, which is the cornerstone of all of this, is developing your best body, requires a good diet. And so I'll program everything you need for your nutrition. And the best part about this is you'll be doing it with me as your coach, guiding you through this process, and a community of other Pectus warriors all starting their transformation at the same time. The other best part about this is the 2026 Pectus Transformation Challenge comes at half price. It's really the best time to commit to this. It's a new year. Let's make 2026 the year that you overcome your Pectus and transform your entire life. The first step is to go to my website, fixpectus.com, fill out the application form, and then book a strategy call with me. Because I coach each client one-to-one, it's very important that I get to know you and your Pectus and your circumstances, because every case of Pectus is different in severity, in symmetry, as well as your circumstances in terms of your age, your experience in the gym. So it's very important I meet you to formulate the right strategy and program for you. I look forward to meeting you and having you as a Pectus warrior on the Pectus Transformation Challenge soon.
I signed up for Riley's program in January of 2023, and at first I was just terrified at the gym. Like, I just felt super intimidated when I walked in. I persisted and I kept going, and I weighed like 120 when I started, like 120 pounds. Now we come to the present now, December, and I've completely transformed my body from, when I first started 2 years ago. Like, I'm weighing 146. I've gone up on how much weight I got way stronger on all the exercises. If you're considering joining Riley's program, I highly recommend it. I really like the flow of it. It's helped me a lot. And yeah, I've completely transformed.
I signed up with PectusPT in 2023 because I was tired of not feeling confident in my body. I was tired of going away on holiday with my friends and being paranoid about taking my top off. And all I can say for anyone who is interested in joining this program is, if you put the work in, you will not be disappointed. The workouts, the nutrition advice, the constant access to Riley, they really help give you a proper plan in order to build strength and mask your Pectus excavatum in ways that I did not think was possible. I've tried working out before and had very, very limited results, but that's because I didn't know what I was doing. And even at the age of 41 years old now, I managed to get results that I'm so proud of, and I can feel my confidence growing daily. So thank you so much, Riley, for an amazing program.
Hey, this is Emerson. Before I started the program, I was always getting comments on like, oh, why do you have that hole in your chest, all that. And I remember being super insecure. I wouldn't even take my shirt off to go to the pool. I would just, sit down and lay face down. It was always like I would wear baggy shirts, stuff like that. I Googled surgery options and went to doctors, and they said, it's probably not severe enough for surgery. It's not like it's impairing your heart or anything. And then I found Riley and I started the program, and within probably 3 months, I started noticing results and started getting comments on like, oh, you have like a good physique, instead of comments like, oh, you have a big hole in your chest. Why is that? And it's just a huge confidence builder for me. It's really changed my life in a positive way. Thanks, Riley. Highly, highly recommend. He's always responding on the app.
Hi everyone, I'm Francesco Cancelli and I'm from Italy. For years I truly searched for someone who truly understood Pectus excavatum, not just as a trainer, but as someone who had lived through it themselves. And when I discovered Riley, I felt like the entire universe finally aligned. Seeing his own journey with Pectus excavatum wasn't just inspiring, it was proof that transformation was possible. The results have been extraordinary. Not only my chest has developed a better shape, I've achieved the best physical form in my entire life. This journey has fundamentally changed how I live my life and how I see myself. It's not just about physical improvement, it's about discovering what I'm truly capable of achieving. So I strongly recommend you to join this program and to let Riley unlock your true potential and to become the better version of yourself.
I was with Riley Byrne for 1 year and I had amazing results. His program was great. I found before his program I was really self-conscious about my chest. I didn't really know where to go in the gym. I was training irregularly without a program, and signing up with Riley Byrne essentially completely changed how I look, how I feel about myself, and like how I train in the gym. It was great. I loved the program. I've become so much more confident in myself, and I'm really, really thankful for what Riley Byrne has been able to do for me. And I can't recommend this program enough because, like I said, it's completely changed how I see myself and how I look.
Hi, my name is Steven, and I am just finishing my 6th month in my first year in Riley's Pectus training program. This program has been such a huge boost of self-confidence for me in ways I could have never even imagined. I cannot believe what I see when I look in the mirror sometimes, and I'm only halfway through, so I am very excited about what the next 6 months are going to bring. The program is very well thought out, it's easy to follow, the app is full of useful information that's easy to understand, and Riley is always available to answer questions about individual exercises or about the process in general. And if you have somebody like Riley there to guide you through the process, it can be a really amazing journey, and I'm happy to be on it. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Michael DeVito. I'm more confident. Physical activity is easier. I definitely recommend Riley's program. Do it, you'll see the results.
Hey, what's up everyone? This is Bo, and I was on Riley's PectusPT program from December 2022 to December 2023. And I'd say when I started the program, physically, I was had a lumpy, skinny, fat guy body. After 1 year, I'm a lot leaner. I've lost 20 pounds, have more definition, especially my torso. And that was one that I really struggled with before. Very satisfying to see that, and just a huge confidence booster. I feel like things like the yoga really help, where they get you kind of centered on your breathing and your movements and your posture and how you carry yourself. Those are just some of the things I've noticed and that I've come away with, and very appreciative of it. So thank you, Riley. It's a great program, well designed, can't recommend it enough. So thank you, bye.
Hey, I'm Corbin. I'm 19, been on the program for almost a year now, part of the 2023 challenge. And I've loved the whole journey from start to, finish, even though my personal journey isn't finished. I can't really explain what the transformation means to me other than, it's just been this huge confidence booster. I went from wearing hoodies and oversized t-shirts and, scared to take my shirt off to, wearing tank tops pretty much whenever I can. I've loved every part of the program, even on days where I didn't feel like doing anything. I felt exhausted, sore. I was like, I gotta keep going, gotta stick with it, and I'm glad I did. Super happy with the results so far, and I can't wait to see what next year's results are gonna be. Thanks, Riley.